Hello, Namaste, Neha, Privet. Today we are going to learn how to draw a simple and beautiful family tree using oil pastels. This is an easy step-by-step tutorial perfect for beginners and school students. So grab your drawing materials and let's get started. For the materials, you can check the description part. Start by drawing a large tree in the center of your paper. Sketch a thick trunk and let the branches spread a little. Keep the shape round and full for a beautiful effect. For the leaves, use a mix of light and dark green oil pastels. Start with dark green as a shadow part, then layer with light green for a realistic look. Color the trunk using brown and black color to create depth and texture. Here I blend the colors smoothly only using oil pastels. So this technique is called high pressure blending. In this, no material is used for blending. Then you can also add small red circles to represent fruits, making the tree more vibrant. To make this a family tree, cut small rectangular papers which will represent family members and you can write their names. So in this way, you can make a simple stunning family tree drawing that's easy to make and looks amazing. For the rest of the thing, you can watch the full video. If you have any drawing requests, just leave in the comment box and see you in the next video. Happy drawing!